Righto, so just finished unboxing my new exhaust system from Ultrix Exhausts, or Ultrix Performance. So this is the VE 3-inch system with the 178 headers, running their sports mufflers and the 3.5-inch quad tips. Impressions are that this is a really nice quality system. All the welds, the joins, everything's just really nice and tidy. So get down, have a look for those who are interested in getting something but not the norm like the X-Force or everything else that's out there. So as you can see, everything just is really nice. Nice clean ports. Hundred cell cats. Nice, chunky. Everything's really heavy. It's a good solid feel to everything. Yeah, it's beautiful stainless that they've used on all this. Just the nice big exit holes for it, so should fill the back of the bar a bit nicely. So yeah, everything turned up really well. Shipping was easy, got here all on time. Price was excellent. I think it was about $2,200 from Ultrix delivered to my door. That's from Perth to here in Queensland. So yeah, good price overall. Awesome quality. Time to pack it all up and get it down the shop and then see what it sounds like.